In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix USB device not recognized on your Windows. So let's get started. Go ahead and go on the search bar and simply type edit power plan will appear under the best match. Click on that. So we need to search for edit power plan so that we can come up in this window, edit plan settings, so that we can click on this option, change advanced power settings. So click on the change advanced power settings button, which is hyperlink there. And here you have to look for the USB settings. So once that you find the USB settings from here, you just need to click on the drop down arrow and set that to disabled. So in my case, I don't have that from here. But once you find the USB settings in the power options window, simply click on the drop down and you have to change the option to disabled. Again, you have to disable the USB settings and then you have to click on apply and click on OK and then close this. Now make a right click at the start button and here you have to select device manager. Now here in the device manager window, you have to simply locate the universal serial bus controllers or the USB. Click on this arrow to expand. And here we have to look for the root hub and then you have to make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, close this. Then once you find in here the generic USB driver, so if this is the generic USB driver, you just have to make a right click and then select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Now once you have uninstalled it, you just need to simply click on this option right here, this one action, and click on scan for hardware changes. Or you can simply right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Once you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows. If that worked, well, fine. But if not, go back to the same device manager window, locate the generic USB driver and then you need to make a right click and then select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and click on next. And you need to wait for your Windows to successfully update your drivers. Now close this and you have to click on yes and this will restart your Windows. And then you just have to check after that and the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.